good, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Jay Sean, and I'm going to be your personal trainer. A question that we get a lot today in this world is how to lose a lot of fat in a short amount of time. So today, what workout we'll be doing is how to lose belly fat, lower belly fat in 5 minutes. Before we get into this, I do want to let it be known that working out isn't going to be the only thing that'll help you lose this body fat. You want to lower your caloric deficit and be consistent with your workouts, meaning you don't necessarily have to lower the amount of food that you're eating every day unless it's a smaller amount of calories in that food. So, for example, if you're eating a certain type of spaghetti and meatballs that has 800 calories for dinner, drop to something else for a substitute that'll have 500 or 400 calories. You want to lower the amount of calories that you're eating and then work out on a consistent basis, and you'll notice gains of fat loss in your body. What we'll be doing is a 5-minute beginner ab workout. All you'll need is a mat or like a blanket to lay on and a tiny bit of space. Just to let you know, this is a follow along workout, but if you do get tired or you feel the need to take a break at any moment, please do so. All right, so let's get right into it.
Hey, yo, Ren, turn that up.
Good job, everybody. This is the real-time reaction of me finishing the workout. So I just want to let you guys know, I hope if you finished that you did great, and good luck on your journey. Thank you.